Dude, I'm hiding still. Where are you, dude? Where are you killing guys? Where's the wither? Huh? Oh my god, it's happening! I don't know, dude. Nasa taas na siya! Taas! Keep shooting. This winner is incredible. Dude, it's fast. I hit it. Dude, what is going on? I did it too. Gonna shoot more arrows there. Oh, it's dead. I'm shooting bow. I'm shooting arrows in it. Oh, what? Oh my god. It's there. I'm hitting it. Dude, what is happening? Are you still dumb, dude? Where is it? Uh-oh! I think! Dude, multiple times. Go! Run! Where is it? We're not ready for this, dude. Oh my god! Run for your lives! Run! Run, run! Run, run! Oh my god! Run! Run! It's too powerful! Run powerful! Oh! This is so powerful! Punta na ako dyan. Anin ko lang respawn point ko. Oh. Bro, it's too powerful. We need the sword. Hindi tatalab yung bow. nag-spawn siya ng wither. Wither skeleton. I've been trapped. Oh, he's dead again. Oh. Coming for you.
Bro, that's a powerful attack. Oh my god, there's a lot of redstone.
Redstone daw hawa. Ano ba paborito mong kulay? Ay, purple.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come here. I'll kill you.
Bram almost dead. Oh, he's dead again. Di yan eh, golden apple.
I don't think I have a golden apple. I don't have
Ito meron ako.
I'm gonna kill it. Ooh.
Oh, what? It's going dark. It's in danger. Oh,
Oh my hell no. Go kill it. I keep dying. What's wrong?
dude, we need to solve. Go, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Dude, kill it. Wala, ito golden apple ulit. Hey, chill. Chill. Hello. Ah! Help me!
Bro, where's my golden apples?
Wait. I'm going to die. Hindi na agatin. Tulang! Ano nangyari? I'm dead. I'm dead. Wait, okay? Flash. Ban. Wither.
Bro, you can ban the wither. What do you mean, bro? You're so dumb. Oh, hell no. We need to kill it. I'll kill you. It's so powerful, bro. What are you doing?
You have the golden apple, right?
No.
Because
don't.
you have full inventory, dude.
Oh.
Okay, bigyan ko ta ulit.
Command. Oh, wait. Bravo. Are you done? What the hell?
Because why it is dark? Is this the sign of God? Bro, I'm lagging so hard.
Oh, you lost my diamonds.
Tapan mo na yung mga ano. Hindi importante.
Okay, copper ingot.
I'm jumping in.
Ah, that's what all I need. Let's go!
Yes, I died. I died because of my one block.
I died.
Come on, boys. I'm lagging so hard. Oh my god, what's happening
Where
there?
is it?
I don't know, dude. Dude, what is happening? Shit. World War 3? World War 3, bro? Is this some sort of World War 3?
Go get it!
Oh my god, this is so hard. Difficult job.
We can get it!
It's arrow proof. What is happening?
Go kill it! So close!
At least he helped us how to mine.
Go!
Yes.
It's too powerful!
He helping us how to mine. I got diamonds. He mined it.
Oh my god. Help!
Tulong!
Help!
Dami namamatay. Yung tayo pa rin namamatay. God, what is happening? Oh my god, I jumped too high. Di ba naman kasi ginagamit ko din apple?
You will never kill me! Come over here! Come on, get in here!
Ow!
Oh,
Help
hell!
us!
No! Where is it? Oh god! Noah, what are you doing?
I'm swimming on the lava. Where is it?
Right over there!
Oh, what just happened? Ah!
Go get it! Oh, heal up! No!
I'm lagging! Oh my god.
Noah, do something!
I'm trying. Oh my god, what? I'm dropping too high, dude. Oh, it's actually diamond. You break it. Wait, paper this. Oh.
Where?
What just happened?
Go get it! I'm getting a lot of it!
Hit the susukan.
I'm gonna eat my baby.
My god, what is
Oh,
happening? Bro, I'm lagging. What gets happening? Even the skeleton fighting too.
Come on! You're almost into it! You can almost kill it! We can almost kill it!
too dark.
You're dying out here.
Wala kwenta yung ano. Enchanted golden apple. Need a torch.
I can almost do it.
Do something good.
Where is it?
Feel good. You found diamond too.
There's a mine. Oh my god. There's a lot.
What? Diamond?
No. There's a lot of destruction.
Bro, I have 4 diamonds.
No, I'll get the hit.
Where is he?
Wrong way. Where is it?
It's here, dude.
Get it.
I did it! I did it! Yes! Run for your life! Run!
Oh, what's it gonna do?
It's gonna explode.
What?
It's gonna explode.
What do you mean, bro? Wait for me before I collect some stuff. Bro, wait for me, please. Wait for me. Oh man, it's just XP. Let's go! We did it!
We beat the ender. I mean the wither.
Let's go!
Yes! Finally, after 10 years, I can kill myself.
Ah,
How do I kill myself?
I have like 8 diamonds. And I have a lot of golden apples.
How do I kill myself?
Alright, finally, let's go. Wow, wow, wow!
Bro, it's still lagging.
How do I kill myself? Noah, can you kill me?
Okay.
No, actually, kill me in the chat. Alright, just kill. I'm died. Alright, let's go back home, boys.
Halika, punta tayo dito sa farm. Dito
Where?
sa bahay, pre. Ay, sa ano. Pre, tuloy.
Why though?
Dude, come here! You're
Where?
making a mess!
Where are you?
Bro, you're making a mess!
Oh.
You clearly messed up. Dude! You're still making a mess.
It's just a pot.
Dude, stop making a mess, okay? The Minecraft noob.
Let's see.
Come here, come here.
What?
I'm gonna show my farm.
What? Ah! Help me!
Okay. Tapos na. Mission complete! Okay. Let's go, come back home. After all years.
Alright. Let's race! Let's race, bro! Huh?
Beat the ender drag. I mean, the wither.
We are beating the wither, even though we are just a beginning. I mean, you're a little veteran. Wow!
Oh, you died.
Is that a solar eclipse?
So, that's not a solar eclipse, dude.
I'm almost there.
Shut up your mouth.
I just shut me up. Alright, boy, I won the race.
What do you mean?
I know. Yeah, boy, get there.
You
Oh,
stink!
hell no!
You're making a mess. I'm gonna kill you. Fix this. Fix this first.
Okay. Oh, hell no, what do I do?
I got a lot of blocks, dude.
Same.
Mama.
Gonna share this all up first.
We have 38 diamonds.
Oh, nice. Wait, what? You have 38 diamonds?
Yes.
I'm gonna put the diamonds in yours as well.
Give me the diamonds. We're
Okay.
gonna craft some arm.
Okay, here. Here are my
May
diamonds.
bisita. Okay. With the diamonds, okay?
I'm gonna go do something like that.
Close the door, dude.
Alright, items. Let's see. Flint and steel.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
The arrows. I don't need any more. How about the emerald?
Here's your
This.
helmet, dude.
Bucket. I don't know how to have bucket. A leash. Oh, thanks.
Dude, what happened there?
Oh, I have
Bro.
diamonds. I have diamonds.
Bro.
What?
Put that back.
Where?
There.
The what?
Here.
The what? Bro, the what?
What's gonna happen? What is
Now
that
I
thing?
have a lot of golden enchanted apples in my inventory. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Go to sleep, okay? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. What the heck? Noise.
This will be my room now.
Okay, that's my room.
No, this. The attic is my room. Darn. Bro, what is wrong with your mama's keyboard?
I hid
The what?
the star. The
Okay.
important place. You cannot find it.
Oh, I know how to find it. I know. I know how to find it, bro. I know how to find it.
And give me my sword back.
What sword? This? Bro, I thought you have your own.
Yes.
You
I
have
mean-
your own.
Okay. You can have that.
Yeah. I can't see it. Noah, I can't see it. Help, I can't see it now. Time to get some food.
Or do you have diamond anything? You don't have boots.
Yeah, I don't have any more diamonds.
Oh. Take this.
Yeah.
You don't have boots. Boots. We're a Minecraft pro.
There, sheep is. I know what you want. Alright, this is really good. Let's see.
For the sound of the music, this is good. Bro, Minecraft.
There's a creeper! Run away!
Bro, Minecraft added this.
Ooh, nice.
And this painting. Painting and this.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Where's the crafting table? Yes, I can make some purple. Oh, nice. Family, welcome heaven. Trying to make everything in this attic purple.
Bro, what? I put the music disc and you just take it off.
What I did?
You can build your own house.
Oh man, this is my house.
Dude, that's my stairs. Dude.
Oh man, I don't have any more carpets. Oh. Where is my walls? I mean carpets.
Carpets? I don't have one.
Yeah. Trying to get the sheep that kills the sheep. Trying to get the sheep that kills the sheep. I got my leash. Where's my leash?
I just came back, okay? I'm just gonna find dog.
A dog?
Yes.
Can you get me one?
Okay. Take this! Take this bounce!
What?
You need to feed it.
Oh. How many did I got? Oh, 12. Yeah.
Follow me!
Wait, I'm gonna get a sheep, the white sheep one. Pero okay, never mind. Let's get the. Let's go. See a few of them now, but really can't. See the moments as we see the next slice of face, a step closer to the end.
It's fine, okay.
Hey, there's a ground.
I know. Quiet, dude.
Wait, who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Just don't mind it.
Who's kind of France? Let's burn his house to the ground.
What?
Who is this guy? What's this? Hello. Okay, let's see. Oh, I found diamonds as well in this chest.
And I don't take that.
Why? Wait.
That's from Kyle France. Okay?
Hello.
You're getting banned.
Wait, there's other people in the server?
Nope.
Oh.
It's just a mod.
Oh. Now that's just weird. I found diamonds. What the?
I don't kill it.
Ah.
How does he drop wood?
There's a lot of things that he has. We even have bows. I'll get it. Ah! Oh no! Oh, let's burn it. Burn it more. Burn it more.
That's enough.
Alright. What's that? Look.
I think that's I don't know. I build it. The fire is on fire. I mean the house is on fire. Okay, just leave it there. Uy,
What?
leave it.
Where are the dogs at?
I don't know, dude. Found a lot of rabbits. God, try to find a rabbit here. I mean, a dog. And then there is a creeper explosion there.
What's that?
I need to find the dog, but I cannot find it. Is this a creeper explosion again? It's a cave! Help me!
I don't have blocks.
Luckily, I... And no dogs. It's just an ocean.
Let's explore it! Oh, never mind.
You're gonna drown. That's what I thinking. Let's explore this one.
Where are you? Where are you?
Ouch. That's a beach. Yes.
Oh, that was desert. Oh.
Dude, where's the dog? Where's the stupid pigs?
It's so adorable. Oh, what the heck? You started.
Reggie.
Whoa, watch out.
Bro, cannot find the dogs.
Where are the dogs at, bro?
Stupid dogs is not here. There is no any dogs here. Did you find one?
Oh, what the? Why are these broken?
Because they spawned in the sand.
No wonder. Where are you? Where are you?
Try
Bro,
to
where
find
are
the
you?
dog.
Please, please.
But where's this dog?
My guy, wait for me. Oh my god, it's the desert! We can find the desert temple in there. It's a desert.
Bro, that's an island.
Oh, it's an island.
The desert, dude. That looks like a desert, but that's not a desert.
Let's go.
Naligo na ata tayo.
Oh, where do we go? We can't even die.
I watched on YouTube. They said, island is water.
What? Alright, bro. Alright, where do we go?
Oh, where's this dog?
Where the dogs?
What is this water doing? Over.
Ang gala na yun. Wow, the Spider-Man wash out. Bro, where did you go? Where? Where are you?
Where are you?
Yeah, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Bro, this mine sucks. Bro, I cannot find any dogs anywhere. deepest cave I ever seen.
Where did you go?
Hindi kita. I'm coming for you.
I know.
Here, dude.
I'm stuck.
I'm first. Didn't jump. Do you hear what I'm hearing? Where are you? But there's iron. Ah, here. Ever wanted. Is this the dead end?
There, man.
I don't think.
Let's see then.
Yes, you're true.
Let's go.
If this is a mine shaft, why does the mine shaft have gold? And then bro, this is the smallest mine shaft I ever seen in
How
my
about
life.
that one?
Bro, this is the smallest mine shaft I ever seen.
How about that one?
How about what?
Oh.
Iron.
There more small iron.
Mine shaft pero ang daming ano. Or pa rin.
I haven't mined everything out. Yeah, I'm not going down there.
Bro, I'm gonna kill myself and okay. Stay there.
No, it's full.
I'm gonna get my diamond pickaxe. Bro, what is happening there? in the middle of nowhere.
You have fallen.
Come get me. I don't have blocks. Need so many iron. Dude, what? It's a base.
No, bro, my iron pickaxe is almost dead.
Rest in peace.
Can you give me a new one? Just give me a new one. Give me a new one. Give me a new one.
Fine. Fine. Pay me $100.
Kaya na.
Just take this. Just take this. My diamond.
Iron pickaxe.
Wait.
What did you give me? Bro, you didn't give me nothing.
Iron pickaxe, dude.
Oh, I see nothing. Where is it? Oh, hey, there it is. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Oh my god, what have you done, dude? What is happening to the world? Tipid tayo sa torch. May torch ka naman eh. Meron.
Oh, wait, I have 64. Wait, how?
Kanin, dati pa yun. It's literally massive. You're not allowed. My God, they found diamond! Bro, find the diamond! Nandun. Sa ano, lamesa. Stupid. Oh my God, I found another diamond! Doesn't have this floor.
Sabi ko sa inyo mga kwento.
Oh my God, there's a spider respawner there. What is items? Look! Bro, we don't have another choice. Cheers. We don't have another choice. Okay. Are you ready? I set it on fire. Set it on fire. Guess what?
Oh my God, bro, I have an enchanted book.
Yes, me too. more torch. Okay, burn this. Wait for me. Oh, torch.